freestanding design allows hands-free drying on any hard surface. The AirPhysics finisher has direct airflow, which allows you to use both hands. Simply rock the finisher around the brush for a smooth finish. Section the fringe area with your brush. With the same rocking motion, the finisher allows 3/4 airflow around the brush for maximum lift. Simply finger comb the hair for a soft, full look. For natural curls, use the AirPhysics diffuser. On low speed and low temperature, scrunch the hair gently while not disturbing curls for a fun, sexy, carefree look.